Welcome to the first episode of the Roan Science TV.
During this episode, we're going to see an experiment presented by our head teacher, Mr. Malone.
Today's first episode will be about ionizing radiation.
Okay, so what we have here is a cloud chamber. Cloud chamber consists of a chamber in which we're going to make a cloud. It's not going to be a water cloud, it's going to be a cloud of ethanol. Ethanol evaporates at room temperature. So we put a few drops of ethanol into the chamber, the room temperature will evaporate that and make a cloud in here. This piece of wire has some luminous paint on the end. Luminous paint emits ionizing radiation. So into that cloud we are going to put ionizing radiation. We're then going to take some dry ice, which is a very low temperature, and put it on the base of the plate, which is the bottom of the chamber, and hold it in place with some foam rubber. So there we have the dry ice, held in place with some foam rubber, and the lid just to put everything in place. Okay, so when we look, illuminating it from the side, what we see is shooting out from the luminous paint tracks. They are tracks of ionizing radiation along which droplets of ethanol have formed, just like rain forming in a cloud. Those droplets sink down and more tracks are formed as more ionizing radiation comes out of the luminous paint. Right, come around here and look level and you'll see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Like sliding across.
Yeah, look close to the black.
On the bottom, it's sliding across that.
Yeah, that way.
Oh yeah.
Straight stuff. Yeah.
Cool. So that's radioactivity.
Oh, that's cool.
Come on, look if you haven't seen it. Come round, come on. I want you to see it. That's pretty good that it's working first time, because you're going to have a go at this.
Oh.
You need to know what liquid. Have you seen him? Yeah. Have you seen him? Matthew?
Yep.
Yeah. Aye.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes? Can you see him?
Yeah.
White lines. You see him? Yeah?
It's coming up.
So what's an alpha particle made of?
2 protons, 2 neutrons. 2 protons have 2 positive charges, 2 neutrons are neutral, so at a mass of 4, charge of 2.
And what do we use alpha emitters for?
Anywhere where we need short-range, heavy particles. So inside the body, for instance, to treat cancers, they will do a lot of damage to the cancer cells.
So is it safe to work with radioactive sources in a school?
All the radioactive sources, or most of them, are radioactive sources in schools are sealed. So as long as you don't take one and put it in your pocket and leave it there overnight, it will be fine.
Does this relate to the Large Hadron Collider?
Large Hadron Collider has radiation detectors all around it. They're actually not cloud chambers, they're bubble chambers, but they work on the same principle. And by shooting the radiation into the bubble chambers and taking a photograph, you can get pictures of how they react to magnetic fields and so on.
Thanks for watching that sensational experiment that brought nuclear physics to the Roan during Science Week.
Watch out for the next episode of the Roan Science TV.